Hello friends, my name is Naeem and I am back with another interesting video. In this tutorial, I'll make timeline infographics. And before I start the tutorial, let me say thank you to everyone who have subscribed my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section. So let's start our today's tutorial. As you can see, I have already opened a new PowerPoint page. Let's start with the format background. Right click and now select the gradient fill and select this color. Great. So let's go to shapes and select this hollow circle here and draw it here. Let's adjust the size and make sure it is the same height and same width. I'm making it 2.15, 2.15. Now selecting this orange bubble and reducing the thickness and removing the outline, going into the shapes section and selecting this rectangle and drawing it here right in the middle, which is intersecting the hollow circle. And let's open the properties of the shapes and make it a little bit transparent so we can see where it is exactly intersecting with the hollow circle. So let's select this circle first and then shape, go to format shape and subtract, so we can have this exact shape, the half hollow circles. And let's draw an oval shape here, holding the shift key and putting it right here. Just change the color and remove the outline. As I'll go back again and I'll make it a little bit transparent. So if you see, I will just reduce the size from the right and left and we'll make it again the solid color. So go back again and let me fill the gradient color here, and I'll choose this, the preset gradient fill, and I will keep this gray color as it is. I'm making another copy, just placing right on the top and using this upper handle and just rotating the shape. Now we have a shape like a kind of a button or a 3D effect. Now I'll copy these all shapes and I'll make a duplicate holding over the control key. I'll make 5 here. You can also duplicate it with pressing Ctrl D. I'll have 5 on the top and I'm selecting 4, and I'll have 4 in the lower section. I grouped it together so I can rotate it to the other way around. Let's ungroup it once again. So I'll go back to my second slide. I have these colors already chosen that I'm going to fill with all of these shapes. Let me use this eyedropper and I'll just speed this process a little bit. Great, so we have filled the color. Now I'm selecting these circles inside, making sure they all are selected, and I'm grouping it, going to shape outline, going to shadow and opening this, and I'm going to select this outline here and selecting the bottom ones and going into shape and shape outline, and I will select this one, maybe this one, and I will just adjust the angle here. Looks okay. Let's close it now. And I'm grouping it again, the whole, and putting it in the center. So I'll make it ungroup again. Let's ungroup as well. I'm going back to my other slide where I have all of the information already there, just to save some time and do this tutorial quick. Great. So I'll bring this information, copy, and I will paste it here. And we will do the same with the icons. Let's adjust it and make sure that all are in the middle of each circle. Great. So let's have a look. Great. So we are done and looks beautiful with different colors. Please give me your feedback on this video and leave your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.